Gonna press that button again. Uh-oh, it's locked. I can't open it. Come on. Can't do it. Dang it, what's wrong with me? I broke the button. I think I'm gonna get that. I got the lock off. Yay! Wait a minute. That's my bracelet. No. That's my bracelet. What the heck? That's my bracelet. What the heck? Oh, well. Well, I don't want to put that button back up because I don't know what might happen. But I'll just stand here and wait for some people to come to school. Waiting, 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 waiting. La 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 do 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 na 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 Well, I guess nobody's coming, so oh well. What the heck? Oh, never mind. I'll just go this way. Believe I just got it. Yeah, baby, I got it. Woohoo!